Welcome to the presentation of the LIPSedge AE430 and 470DK models. Let's start with why 3D vision and Edge AI is a powerful combination. In today's demanding industrial environment applications, a machine must have eyes to see and inspect. As such, an active stereo 3D camera provides a realistic view through measuring capabilities. Along with it, the viewing devices must be reliable and meet industrial quality demands, with an ideal size and weight. Must be robust and durable that allows long-term operation. And most importantly, the device must be capable of processing data, providing a comprehensive and extensive SDK support, capable of framework integration and edge computation for low latency and immediate computing tasks. Hence, introducing the LIPSedge AE430 and 470 development kit. The LIPSedge AE430DK and AE470DK are the 3D active stereo camera development kits for LIPSedge AE430 and AE470 series. You can develop once with the LIPSedge AE430DK or AE470DK and deploy unlimitedly in any project and directly on the field for the LIPSedge AE430 and AE470 respectively. The LIPSedge AE430DK and AE470DK development kit's benefits include low latency for machine learning, on-device neural network computing, increased speed from image processing to operation, bandwidth reduction for implementation, reliability and security for data onboard processing. It offers incredible features from 1. Open root development, where developers can develop directly on the camera. Read and write access for the camera at the SoC. Administrator profile without access limitations or constraints. 2. You can also do the development on x86 systems via QEMU for ease development and compile directly with QEMU and deploy on-device. 3. With major and mainstream algorithm support. And 4. With example codes of neural network frameworks supported. It provides excellent hardware specifications for edge computing from having quad-core ARM Cortex-A73 CPU up to 2.8 GHz, dual-core ARM Cortex-A53 CPU up to 2.3 GHz, Mali GPU G52MP4 at 850 MHz, internal L2 cache at 512 kilobytes and a 1 megabyte system workspace buffer. And most of all, superior performance at 5.0 TOPS, with high expandability for embedded solutions. So where is the LIPSedge AE430DK and the AE470DK used? The LIPSedge AE430DK and AE470DK are actually used as development kits. As a developer, with the LIPSedge AE430DK and AE470DK, you can develop, test, debug, and validate all necessary edge computing programs for the project. The LIPSedge AE430DK and AE470DK comes with UART pins for debugging purposes, a firmware update quick button, a reset quick button, and a USB connector for fast and easy firmware upgrades. Once validated the edge computing programs that are required to be deployed and running on the field, a firmware can be created. As can be seen, the LIPSedge AE430DK and AE470DK offer unique advantages for developers on its interfaces that actually facilitate the development of edge computing programs and also debugging processes. The LIPSedge AE430DK and AE470DK have a SoC architecture concept, providing open root development, where developers can develop directly on the camera. Read and write access for the camera at the SoC. Administrator profile without access limitations or constraints. Additionally, it also offers the possibility of system emulation and virtualization with QEMU, where you develop first on x86 computers, emulate first, and deploy on edge, accessing full free open source support, and also community support with example codes. We encourage developing with an emulated environment in QEMU for best. The Quick Emulator is a free and open-source emulator that uses binary translation to emulate computer's processor. In short, it translates the binary codes of a processor and allows it to execute them on a variety of machines, including mainstream personal computers. And using an emulated environment creates a customized development environment which eases development, testing, and debugging, provides faster compilation time versus developing and compiling directly on the device, allows the usage of Docker software containers when running additional software tools. The LIPSedge AE430DK and AE470DK have examples codes and demo running YALO, providing a complete example of YALO face detection and with a complete code in the user manual. It also supports widely used frameworks such as TensorFlow, Caffe machine learning frameworks, and also unlimited model zoo within libraries and frameworks including ONNX, TensorFlow Lite, Keras, and PyTorch with downloadable programming sample codes and API wrappers. So let's present how you would achieve the development to the deployment. 1. Preparations. Devices required include the LIPSedge AE430DK or the LIPSedge AE470DK. A computer with Ethernet and Internet, USB 3.0 or USB 2.0 ports. Accessories including a USB cable type A to USB micro and 3 cables with single-pin 0.1-inch pitch header. Second, download the latest QEMU and do the setup. Also download the image for the LIPSedge AE430DK or the AE470DK root FS from the link at the manual. Third, once completed all the necessary downloads, including Docker's containers, you can start developing. Fourth, compile the newly created package into an image as a firmware. And last, deploy the image as a firmware. If assistance is required, an application note can be requested to LIPS. Also notice that the burn-in of the firmware for development kit versus the deployment with the LIPSedge 430 or 470 on the field is different. The steps are written in the manuals, but if you need assistance, don't hesitate to contact LIPS. Please notice that the LIPSedge AE series come both supporting power over Ethernet and connecting for power supply. For power over Ethernet, connect the camera with the M12 to PoE cable supplied with the camera. A PoE switch is recommended for both supplying the power and the data transmission. If a PoE switch is not available, AM8 to power cable can be purchased separately through LIPS. As presented before, the LIPSedge AE430DK and the 470DK provide several connector interfaces which facilitates developers the usage of the camera. You can refer to the user manual and the datasheet for more information displaying each specific connector and its usage purpose. The LIPSedge AE series come as industrial ready, and its on-device edge computing capabilities allows edge compute features that can be deployed to autonomous vehicles, industrial robotics, factory automation, and also use cases with object detection and density measuring. Contact us directly for discussions and partnerships. You can buy directly locally for on-site services and guidance through our distributors, and buy samples for evaluation and development from our website store.